You're watching Foxtecc, and today I'll show you where to find spam emails on your iPhone. If you're missing an email or just want to review what's been filtered out, it's easy once you know where to look. Let's get straight into it. Start by opening the Mail app on your iPhone. If you're inside an inbox, tap Mailboxes in the top left corner to go back to the main folder view. Then scroll down and tap on the folder labeled either junk or spam, depending on which email provider you're using. Spam emails are automatically filtered into this folder to help keep your main inbox clean. Inside the junk folder, you can review all the emails that were marked as spam if you're looking for something specific. Use the search bar at the top to type in a keyword, subject, or sender's name. If you find an email that shouldn't have been marked as spam, open it and tap Move to Inbox to return it to your main mailbox. It's a good idea to check your junk folder from time to time. Not only can you recover important emails that were flagged incorrectly, but you can also clear out real spam to free up storage and keep your mail app organized. Thanks for watching. If this helped you manage your spam emails better, be sure to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone tips. See you later.